Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Know your console model and PC operating system so you pick the right cable or capture device. Once done, connect power and network, then plug HDMI from console to capture card or TV pass-through. Make sure to attach capture to PC via USB or PCIe and install drivers now. You do this first to avoid redoing work later. Drivers and firmware ensure stable communication and low. You next open the capture application, like OBS or the capture vendor tool, and add the device as a video source so the PC can see the console feed. Then choose the resolution and frame rate that match both console output and PC capacity. This reduces scaling and dropped frames. Once configured, set audio input and monitor so you hear game sound and mic if needed. Make sure to enable game mode or disable HDR if compatibility causes black screens. You finish by running a short recording or stream test to confirm smooth visuals and synced audio. This is how you validate the setup. If you notice lag, lower bitrate or turn off preview scaling, and if audio drifts, apply an offset in the app. Once done, lock settings and save a scene preset for future use. If things go wrong, restart the capture device and PC, try a different cable, and then recheck driver updates. One simple swap often fixes connection faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.